What's up, guys? This is your boy Jay, back with another video. So pretty much in this video is gonna be pretty good one. So if you guys don't know, I got this truck from my dad. This is a 1994 Ford Ranger Splash. It's the one with the step side, 4.0 liter. And as you see, it's in pretty good condition overall, except yeah. So yeah, it needs some work for sure, but no dents, no crazy hits. Still the original rims. So story behind this, I got this from my dad. Unfortunately, he passed away last year, and he bought this car brand new in '95, I think it was. And yeah, he had this truck ever since. Drive up and down the road. He used to drive trucks, and he just did not let go of this thing. He went through several vehicles, but he loved this truck. So he took good care of it. But my dad was the type to keep stuff original. So it has original wheels, original seats, original engine, original everything. So why is the hood up, you might ask? So because this needs to get repainted, and you know I gotta add my own little flavor to it, I decided to order a new hood for it. So it's gonna have a new hood for it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and send it to the paint shop. Unfortunately, these the splash emblem, that's probably gonna have to come off. It has around the side, the other side, and then across the back. But to honor my father, like I said, he's always told me he wanted to keep this thing original. I told him the V8 swap it, all that, 5.0 swap it. But since he was, he loved his truck the way it was and his favorite color blue, I'm gonna keep it the same color. Just getting it repainted, fix the hood. As you see, it's just nothing but surface rust on the hood and the roof, so they can scrape that off and lay another coat of paint. Other issues with this is nothing but cosmetic. So you see the interior's not too bad. Yep, it is 5-speed, original radio. So you know we gotta swap that out at least. Put some new speakers in the back, have a little bit of slap in here. Only problem with the interior is, I guess it started to sag and he just said, "Shank," ripped it all off. So that, I do know some places around here that can do it for a good price. I don't know what I'm gonna do. If you guys got some ideas, you can throw it in the comments. You know, a lot of people, they get very custom with that, but I don't know if I want to do the lights and all that crazy stuff. Might just do black. I don't know, just match some of the other black accents of the car. I don't know. But if you guys got some ideas, throw it my way. I'm open to ideas. So yeah. Pretty much, that's gonna be the idea of this, is getting a new hood on, have a little cow hood on it, get it completely repainted. These are like some 15-inch rims. I'll probably go up to some 18s. I am a fan of putting like Mustang wheels and stuff on it. The 5-spoke, like Cobra wheels. Who knows? Because like I said, if this engine ever blows, which has only got 145 on this to be a 30-year-old truck, I might put a 5.0 in it if this thing ever blows. So it would just go along with the accents. And then of course, headlights, those need to go. I already got some headlights inside. So without further ado, let me just guys show you the hood that I decided to get for this thing. Sorry, don't know if you can see it, but I did spend $1 to get this hood. Shout out to Cervinis Auto Design. I think this is gonna be a really good hood. So let me go ahead and take it out, show you guys what we're working with. So yep, I want to put a slight little cowl hood on it. I think it's only like, what, 2 inches tall. So yeah, man, it should look real good on this thing. It should give it just enough to give it, you know, a little bit of different look to it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna feel this. So yeah, some people, they put a little emblem right here. I'm not gonna disclose what I'm gonna put there yet, but it is gonna be a reference to my father. I already told a couple people, but yeah, man, this is the Cervini hood. So I guess right now, I've never, ever changed the hood on a car. So this is my first time putting on a new custom hood. So hopefully this goes smooth. And for guys who looking at doing the same thing, you know, you guys can look off of me and look the same thing. But to be honest, it looks really good. I don't see a lot of work. I've got plenty of body parts before and they needed a whole lot of work to, you know, come together. But this overall, man, yeah, it looks good. It looks good. I don't see no crazy imperfections. All I see is the little marks from the box, but obviously they're gonna sand this. Has a slight scratch down, I don't know if you can see it. But yeah. Oh yeah, I'm digging this. All right, so I know you guys tired of just looking at it. So yep, I am going to get to disassembling that. Hopefully it should be super simple to take those bolts off and get the thing on. So all right, so hood is off. So the only thing that was kind of hard, I'd say that wasn't really hard, was finessing this. So I definitely advise taking this off. There's one clip here that kind of goes around that, so you kind of have to, where is it, so I can show you guys. Oh, where is it? Oh, right in my face. So yeah, kind of gotta, what I did was got a little screwdriver and kind of pushed up. Then you gotta get physical, and when you push it up, pull down hard. So do that first, and then if you have a helper, definitely get a helper. If you got anybody that can help, that's good, because once you take these bolts off, it's literally 8 millimeter there, 8 millimeter there. This thing starts to move around and get very flimsy. So I got this loose, then went over here, got this and took that all off and tried to hold it up, and that was it. So couldn't record it, but it was pretty straightforward. So hood is off, and let's commence with getting the other hood on. All right, guys, just doing a little test fitting, and like I said, it looks like it's gonna fit good. I don't know why in the pictures I thought this part was a little wider. So it's skinnier in person, but I still got no complaints. Oh yeah. Let me step back. See, I can see and try to get the vision. Imagine it blue, imagine some bigger rims on it, tint the windows with the little visors. I already got a bed cover put in the back. It's just gonna have a black bed cover. Fresh, all good headlights, fresh paint job. Oh yeah. This will be fun. You guys are gonna come on a journey with me. Sorry this thing is so dirty. You got birch. It's a humongous freaking tree, as you see. And it messes up my Infinity, the Tahoe. But yeah, so all I did is just put it on, let it get a little latched. But I've not fully put it on yet, so. Let's commence with putting it on. All right, guys, so as you see, she's pretty much on. It's like she's not on. For some reason, I cannot get it to latch like it's supposed to. I know my fitment might not be A1, but even when I got the fitment A1, I could not get it to close. But overall, as you see, I try to get the gaps okay. But for some reason, you can't get this thing to close. So, but I'm not going to bore you guys with the details of getting that. Is probably something I'm just doing wrong, but Look at it, man. I can see it. I hope you guys can see how she's gonna look when it's all said and done. No, I'm not gonna slam it. I'm not gonna do, I wanted to still use it as a truck, so I'm probably gonna keep this height. Might put some different type of shocks or suspension on it, but lowering it is not the ideal. The only thing I wanna do is just fill in the wheel gap with some bigger wheels. Still gonna have some high profile tires, but yeah, do a little walk around. And next video should be cleaning this thing up completely. Like, I just, if you take it anywhere to paint, why not make sure they have less to do so they can focus on the other stuff. So I need to get behind here, get all that stuff. Haven't decided if I want all that, like the whole thing, everything, but I just feel like if I just do the hood, roof, that, I mean, it's probably not gonna match up. Granted, I'll be able to keep the stickers. The only other thing I wish I could do is I've seen ones have this grill and it's like a honeycomb all black grill. And I feel like it looks better and it goes with this hood. It gives it that sporty look that I'm trying to go for. But for some reason I can't find them. So can't find exactly where people are getting them. I see them on trucks, don't see them for sale online. So not sure where they're getting it, but yeah. Overall, I mean, she's a beauty anyway. She's already a nice freaking truck for its age. But, you know, a couple little things. Nice little cowl hood, tint windows, nice rims. Maybe do something different with the exhaust. And then I might just ride this thing, you know, until the engine blows or something. But by then, I'll know exactly what kind of engine I'm putting in. But, you know, I pretty much got 3 cars that I could just drive around anytime. So really need to hook up the vet and take my time on performance stuff with these. But this one, you know, I'm ready to see it look good. I can't let the paint just get worse. So yeah, anyway, we're gonna wrap this video up. As you see, the hood went on pretty good. So thumbs up to Cervini hood. For some reason, like I said, once I figure out the latch thing, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, next thing, I'll put on the headlights and drop this thing to the shop. And we're gonna see how it looks out the paint. All right, appreciate you guys tuning in. Pretty simple video today, but we got more content coming, like I always say. So look at my buddy there. You wanna work on the car, buddy? All right, guys.